why I, as a Christian, believe in the Big Bang. Now, I know what you're thinking. For the Christians out there, they're probably like, well, the Bible disproves the Big Bang. Well, let's take this book and take it for its literal form. We can flip to Genesis. And Genesis 1:1 says, "In the beginning, God created the heavens and the earth. The earth was formless and empty, and darkness covered the deep waters, and the Spirit of God was hovering over the waters. Then God said, 'Let there be light,' and there was light." Now, what does that say? It says that the earth was formless. The earth didn't even really exist. And then, "Let there be light." Well, what do you think the Big Bang was? So how exactly does the Bible disprove the Big Bang? Now that we've established that it's a possibility of some sort for the Big Bang to have happened, let's look at very simple and very common sense evidence for the Big Bang. Number one, the expansion rate. Obviously, the universe is continually expanding. This is a clearly scientific point, and no one disagrees about it. Well, if the universe is currently expanding, then back when you go back in time, you can shrink it, and once it shrinks to a certain point, it's going to start at one point if you go far back enough. Now, young Earth creationists will deny this because it contradicts their sense of reality of the universe. But that's just the point you have to make. Now, you could say, well, at some point, God just created it and let it expand from there. But scientifically, why would you assume that? There's no viable evidence to assume that particular belief. Point number two, the cosmic microwave background. Now, scientists predicted this in the late 1940s. If the Big Bang happened, then there would be some radiation afterglow or cosmic microwave background, whatever you want to call it. Now, the way that this is proof for the Big Bang is that it shows that the effects of it, the leftovers of the Big Bang, I should say. So it provides further proof that the Big Bang actually happened. My final point being for the Big Bang is that the observed abundance of hydrogen, helium, and other chemicals agrees with that predicted by the Big Bang theory. Now, this was very basic, very quick, and very simplified for you guys to listen to. I hope that the Christians out there will finally do their research and they will finally come to the conclusion that the Big Bang is an undeniable occurrence in the universe, and it is thus the cause of the universe. Now, it does not rule out God in any way, shape, or form. Personally, I think that it proves God, but we will discuss that in other videos. God bless you guys.